This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Okay guys, now let's take a look at the gold market. Well, as you can see on the gold market, there was also the positive reaction on the first speech of the new Federal Reserve Chairman, this is the Yellen speech, and as she has said that she totally supports the previous course of the predecessor of the supporting of the US economy and so on. That was the positive reaction in the gold market, and that was the rare case where the gold market and the stock market is rising together, and you do not see it very often on the markets, and you can see that the gold market has moved slightly higher. At the same time, although we have spoken about the possible upward bounce on the long-term charts and this target around 30 and 60 area on the gold market, at the same time we see that in fact this action to the upside is the first reversal swing, since that is the first swing up that is greater than the previous swing down, and market has not shown any significant retracement after that. And still, guys, I can't exclude that this reaction still could follow, because when you take a look at the long-term charts on the gold market, you'll see the really significant move down. The market moved lower and lower and so on. That is the one, in fact, the first bounce to the upside. And I can't exclude that market, in fact, still could show the deep retracement. Anyway, we do not know whether it will happen or not, but as the market stays inside the confidence resistance and very close to the level of overbought, anyway, to take the long position on the daily time frame chart, you need the dip to buy. As you do not have it, it's not quite safe to take position just in the somewhere. It's a bit risky moment, and if you do not have the dip to enter long, just do not take the long position until you will get it, since this will be just much safer to buy the dip. The one moment that we also see here is that price has moved above the weekly pivot resistance 1 and monthly pivot resistance 1. This action could suggest, although we don't know how market will close by the end of this week, but anyway, this action could suggest that that is not just a retracement on the long-term perspective. This really could give us the special meaning. It really could be very significant if market will hold above it. And by the end of this week, by the end of the February, maybe we could, in this case, we could treat this action not just as a retracement on the long term, but as the first swing that could put the foundation to move first to the 30 and 60 area, and potentially to the 1540, since we know that the habit of the gold market is to show the deep retracements, and the habit of the gold market to retest previously broken lows and previous consolidation. That is what we are speaking about on the monthly time frame chart. It's very interesting that 1360 is the yearly pivot point on the gold market, and 1540 is the yearly pivot resistance one. As you can see the magic of the numbers and magic on the levels on the markets. That's really could be a really thrilling moment. And currently we have the object to watch for in the long perspective. Meantime, in the shorter term perspective, as I said, market still could show retracement. Maybe this will be some kind of the head and shoulders right here that will trigger some deeper move down, although we can't treat it as the purely head and shoulders, since head and shoulders is the reversal pattern, long-term reversal pattern, and usually it should appear at some tops, but here we do not have this top. This is some sort of just first retracement. Now I'm speaking just about the shape. This could be some reversal pattern here. On the 4-hour time frame chart, yesterday we have hoped to get the J-double brand body trade, but we haven't got it, since market hasn't shown even the close below the 3x3 moving average here, and jumped up on the year-end speech right to the 1618 extension target of this ABCD pattern. Meantime, as market has hit this target, market has hit finally the target of the butterfly. Maybe we could get here some hint on the potential reversal. So watch what will happen. But currently, guys, I personally do not very fascinated with taking long position right now. Well, I prefer to see some retracement, reasonable retracement down, to see how this retracement will develop. Maybe some patterns market will form, and then to take the decision, make the decision about the entry in the gold market. Personally, I'd not like to be hurried on the markets. If I will miss this opportunity, well, I will get some other on other currency pairs, on some other assets, but it's not needs to be hurry on the markets to make the decision. So never be afraid that you will miss some opportunity or something. So that's my current view on the gold market. So I think that we should not be hurrying, just to wait when the market will give us the reasonable chance, reasonable pattern or something that we could use with the confidence, and to trade it with the confidence, and not see any reasons right now to just dive in this turmoil and trying to catch the long position, since we afraid that we could miss the opportunity to take the long position. That's absolutely is not true. Well, taking the position at the reasonable bounce down will give us more confidence, and we just will be more sure and will be more happy with this position, rather than trying to take the position right now and then to get opposite action against us on this retracement. That's just my 2 cents on the current view on the gold market, and I think that we still will get the chance to take the position, because market mechanics is very stable stuff, and I think that we probably should get some bounce down as the result of the first reversal swing on the daily time frame chart. So let's see what will happen. Maybe market even will give us some reversal pattern right now in this area. We will see what will happen.